I cannot believe the dog. This is from 1 week at the beach. So not even, so just, you know, 6-7 hours down, 6-7 hours back. And I think that's it. I don't think he rode anywhere else. So 2 full days, and this is how much hair he loses. Corgis are crazy, but anyway, I want to see how well we can get this cleaned up. My plan, it's all over too. It's not even just where the dog was. It's like, I joke that it's a defense mechanism, and he loses hair like a porcupine. Like when he's anxious, he's always anxious in the car. Anyway, let's see if we can get this totally cleaned up. The way I'm going to do this is I'm going to use this Dyson attachment. It works really well with pet hair, and I just hook it up to the shop vac and we'll vacuum it out. We'll see how that goes. Here we go.